Trouble's closing in. I can feel the ground trembling. Shivers on my skin. If you shut your eyes, better hold them tight. 'Cause tonight I hear a roll of thunder. Fear trying to take us under. It's shaking everything now.
This is too great a moment, Your Majesty.
It's like to be an outsider, to be ashamed of how you were born, to have to hide who you are.
Never should the lady waiting.
Yeah, bang goes the sky. Oh, the shots ring out in the dead of night. There's tension in your eyes.
I don't think you'll be needing this anymore.
'Cause we all know what's on the line. Oh, right now I hear the steps that follow. They're closing in the shadows, too far to turn around.
Magic isn't something you choose. What if it chooses you?
I'll have you restrained.
You just try.
How many hundreds did you condemn to death to ease your guilt?
Arrest her.
We're in the fire.
Water.
Sound of the siren. It's do or die. It's do or die.
Did I not say that when I threatened you, you'd know about it?
Well, now you know.
Who are you?
I'm Lady de Winter.
Sound of the siren. It's do or die. Sound of the siren.
She will be burnt at the stake. Restrain him!
You can't do this!
Sound of the siren.
You have defied me for the last time. It's dangerous for those of us with magic.
It's do or die.
You see foes where there are friends. You see sorcerers where there are but servants.